Baku, Azerbaijan, September 25. Pakistan has undertaken commitments of the contract for the timely delivery of Super Mushshak aircraft to Azerbaijan, Chief of Air Staff of the Pakistan Air Force Sohail Aman said. He made the remarks during his meeting in Baku with the commander of the Air Force of Azerbaijan, Lieutenant General Ramaz Tatarov, Pakistani media outlets reported. Earlier, the Pakistan Air Force said in a statement that Azerbaijan purchased 10 Super Mushshak trainer aircraft from Pakistan. During the meeting in Baku, Sohail Aman and Ramaz Tatarov also discussed prospects of training Azerbaijani military pilots in the institutes of the Pakistan Air Force. Sohail Aman visited the military academy of Azerbaijan's armed forces to deliver the lecture on the use of air forces in asymmetric warfare.